Hey you guys, it's Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just a couple of administrative things or just a couple of announcements. Not relating to Norfolk Southern or CSX, just a little bit of some stuff on my end. I was able to get some pretty good little action on the Portsmouth sub on Monday, and I'm not going to spoil this. I'm not going to spoil this, but it was pretty good little action there, and I was very fortunate to actually get it. It was a really nice little outing there for maybe about 5 to 10 minutes, and was able to watch a couple of good little trains there. Uh, so that is going in the addition. The addition right now is in the process of being worked on. Uh, got a lot of footage in there this time, and that will be coming out a week from today, actually. A week from today. Today is Tuesday, and that will be out next Tuesday. So that's going to be that. Q&A responses will be revealed at the same time. Once again, everything closes Monday night at 11 o'clock. So if you have not yet submitted your questions, what I will do on this video is I will put a featured videos. I will go ahead and put the April Q&A prompt there, so you can definitely take a look at that. So once the video is concluded, this video is concluded, you can just click that little video. It will take you right to it. So so that is that. Another administrative thing. I just want to remind everyone again. Whenever you are looking at videos on my channel or anyone's channel in particular, please relate your comments specifically on the videos. You gotta have your comments related to the video. If it's, let's say, somebody caught a Norfolk Southern train on the Southern Main Line, for example, say, "Hey, great catch on the Southern," or nice quartet of GEs," or something like that. But try not to, at least, actually, I'm going to say this in a little better terms. Please do not ask a random question. Now, if it was like a locomotive rebuild like Freesby, I know I just had a question on that. See, that's okay because that is specific, but just don't ask a random question. If it's a random question, please hold that for the Q&A prompt. You can post on the Q&A prompt, and that would be perfectly fine. But just please pertain your questions. Be specific with those with the video. So I'm not singling anybody out. It's just I'm just trying for everybody to understand how some of this can work and how it can all be fun too. Because if you relate it to the video, everybody will be starting to talk. So it's a good thing to do it as that way. So once again, not singling anyone out. It's just as a reminder. So there's just a few things for the upcoming week. So be on the lookout for all that. Trucks edition is still working. Haven't done a lot of trucks recently. Hopefully I'll be able to get another little mini edition probably by the end of the month, but I wouldn't guarantee that yet. But I'm going to try to get the rails out first. So anyway, that is the upcoming plans right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this little update video. Once again, I got a premiering a video tonight at 6 o'clock. So I'll be premiering a how-to video. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm Engineer Pat 5290, and I will see you next time.